Alright. Urban Decay is a cosmetic company that was founded in 1996 in Orange County, California. Urban Decay's chief creative officer and founding partner is Wendy Zumner and has been around since the start. Urban Decay's home base is located in Newport Beach, California. They sell many products ranging from face, eye, lip, and more. They are well known for their Naked collection of eyeshadow palettes, and the newest palette to the collection is the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette.
Zoe, and I looked into the production of the product and the waste that it produces. The Urban Decay products are manufactured in the U.S. An average factory worker makes around $13.14 an hour. There are also certain standards written by the FDA about the proper means of productions when dealing with cosmetics. The process of eyeshadow starts with the pigments being blended to create the desired shade. Then it is scooped into a pan and then pressed down by a weight to compact it. The pan is then moved on to be placed into the eyeshadow component. Urban Decay is PETA certified as being cruelty-free and has been a cruelty-free brand since the beginning. I also looked into the waste that goes into the cosmetic products. I made an interesting connection from the social media influencers and cosmetics. Some cosmetic brands such as Tarte and Benefit invite social media influencers on largely based brand trips. These trips are usually on a resort where influencers get large amount of makeup which tends to be wasted and unused. However, Urban Decay didn't have any record of these trips. But I did find a blog post by a blogger named Alex Light. She offered to take a tour of the offices and filmed a beauty video at the Urban Decay headquarters. She was given free products, but in a more environmentally friendly way. Alex was told to choose out products she would like from a large supply at the headquarters. Therefore, she was able to take the products she knew she was going to use and wouldn't be wasting. Most brands often send large personal rep packages to these influencers as well. This occurs when they are launching a new product and want them to promote it. These packages are usually very large and contain lots of wasteful material such as non-reusable plastic and even sometimes electronics. Urban Decay's PR packages are well known for not having lots of cardboard and not wasting a lot of space in their packaging.
Hi, my name is Jen, and I'll be covering exactly what is found in the origins of the Urban Decay Honey palette. So talc is the first main ingredient in the Urban Decay shadows. Upon further research, Eimers is one of the biggest mining companies, and talc happens to be one of the many things they mine. Stationed in Paris, the companies began mining talc in 1985 and has since started up many factories in the U.S. This company has many reputable workers and established a well-rounded business. The second shadow, or the second ingredient found in the shadows, is calcium sodium borosilicate. This chemically is similar to borosilicate glass that is used in glassware. This is made in labs by fusing silica with several different oxide compounds, depending on the color wanted. In addition to the shimmering qualities that it creates for the shadows, the two borosilicates are good bulking agents, helping to give products the desired consistency. Upon digging a bit deeper, I found that calcium that is used in calcium sodium borosilicate is found in minerals and stones such as marble. Marble is commonly mined in India, more specifically Udaipur, Rajasthan. The mining companies that are found there upon inspection are deemed reputable and the workers are skilled in their trade. Azirsa sativia extra is also known as Asian rice and is harvested in South and Southeast Asia as well as some parts of Japan. Most who farm this plant that are sent off to other countries to create the extract are commercial farmers. Unfortunately, others are poor families in Japan who don't have very much food to begin with and are scraping by to feed their families. The final ingredient that I will go into is caprylic capric triglyceride. While the compound is made of natural components, it is not found in nature. In fact, a chemical process separates the oily liquid so that a pure version of it can be added to the products. But there's a minimal risk to this particular ingredient. There's an environmental concern that has to do with the breaking down process of this. There's not enough info on it, and specialists believe that the chemical buildup can pose a threat to wildlife.
Hi, I'm Julia, and I will be covering the Urban Decay's Honey Palette packaging and brush material, the packaging and the product in tandem. When it comes to designing the palette, Wendy Zumner includes that she has an open mind and likes to see what's going on with fashion, art, and design. For the Urban Decay Honey Palette, it really depends on art and commerce in order to create the perfect palette packaging for the Urban Decay specifically. Now let's move on to the Urban Decay brush set. They are all synthetic makeup brushes. They are handcrafted out of materials like polyester, which is a purified terephthalic acid, which is man-made fiber, and nylon, which is an aliphalic aromatic polymade that has a silky material and can be melted into process of fibers, films, or shapes. The pro-quality vegan and cruelty-free brushes also have a gum metal handle that are made from recycled aluminum.
Hi, I'm Cassie, and I'll be talking about labor laws that affect Urban Decay. I spoke with a representative from Urban Decay, and they said their headquarters and makeup buildings are located in Southern California. Workers in California's minimum wage of $12 behind Washington, D.C. with $13.50. If workers in California work more than 8 hours a day, more than 40 hours a week, or for the 7th day in a row, they receive pay and a half. If workers work more than 12 hours per day or more than 8 hours for the 7th day in a row, they receive double their pay. Workers must get paid every 2 weeks, and they must receive their check within 11 days of payday.